Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I tone my hair. I just got the toner from my hairdresser and I will apply it at home. I will wash my hair like usual with my Munir shampoo. After I will use my Christopher Robin purple mask, and at the end I will apply my toner. I will try to mix very well. I will buy a mixer, cosmetic mixer, just to blend very well this toner. It is very easy to apply, just like a mask. And my hairdresser told me that I should let sit 30 minutes, but I will let 20 or 25. Just to achieve a more vibrant toner and a vibrant ashy cold tone that will go on the other washes. So my hair is damp. I want just to brush very gentle, and after I will apply my toner. I will put my gloves and I will start applying my toner. It is currently more liquid, so I have to be very careful.